Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that I think many of us, especially those in the younger generations, can relate to: impulsiveness. Have you ever found yourself making a snap decision, maybe booking a last-minute trip, buying something online you really did not need, or even changing career paths on a whim? If so, you are definitely not alone. It feels like the world is moving faster than ever, and sometimes our brains just keep up by making quick calls. But what exactly is going on? And is it a good or bad thing? Let us break it down. First off, what do we mean by impulsiveness? It is not just about making bad decisions. It is about acting on a sudden urge or desire without fully considering the consequences or thinking through all the options. It is that immediate yes, before your logical brain has a chance to catch up. So, why does it seem like the younger generation, Millennials and Gen Z particularly, are often labeled as more impulsive? Well, there are a few factors at play. One huge one is the rise of social media and the internet. We are constantly bombarded with new trends, experiences, and instant gratification. See a cool gadget? One click and it is on its way. Hear about a new pop-up event? FOMO kicks in, and suddenly you are there. This digital landscape trains our brains to expect quick results and encourages spontaneous action. Another point is the shifting job market and traditional life paths. For previous generations, there was a more linear path: school, job, house, family. Now, things are far less defined. There is a lot more experimentation, and sometimes that looks like impulsive job changes or trying out different cities to live in. It is a mix of opportunity and uncertainty that fuels these quick shifts. But here is the thing: impulsiveness is not inherently evil. It has its upsides. Sometimes, being impulsive can lead to incredible opportunities. It can mean taking a leap of faith on a passion project, being adaptable in a fast-changing world, or just trying new things that genuinely broaden your horizons. Think of all the startups and innovations that came from someone just deciding to go for it. However, there are definite downsides too. Financially, impulsive decisions can lead to a lot of debt or buyer's remorse. In relationships, quick reactions without thinking can cause misunderstandings or hurt feelings. And in bigger life choices, an impulsive jump without enough planning can sometimes lead to more stress and regret down the line. So, how do we navigate this modern impulse? It is about finding a balance. It is not about stopping yourself from being spontaneous, but about injecting a little bit of conscious thought into your quick actions. For smaller things, like trying a new restaurant, go for it. For bigger decisions, like a major purchase or a career shift, try the 24-hour rule or 48-hour rule. Give yourself a short buffer period to let the initial excitement settle and assess if it is truly what you want or need. Also, consider the long-term impact. Ask yourself, how will this impulsive decision affect me in a week, a month, or a year? Sometimes that simple question is enough to bring clarity. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Have you made an impulsive decision that you either totally regretted or that turned out to be the best thing ever? Share your stories and any tips you have for managing impulsiveness in the comments below. That is all for today's chat about young generation impulsiveness. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, please hit that like button, subscribe for more discussions, and ring the notification bell so you do not miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.